All right. My name is Louis. Today I'm gonna do it alignment on this truck. Before you do that, you have to set the steering wheel center and check the tire size and check the pressure height and everything. When it's done, you have to measure it. And there's my lasers. One of the guys helped me. It's right there. 104 and a half. All right, the other side, Tommy. Yeah, that's what I got, 104 and a half. So exactly the same. That's what I need. Thank you. And that's my toe measurement. And now I'm gonna do the thrust. Now I'm gonna do the thrust measurement.
Attach the bag down there.
Steering.
Yeah, just to get the tires straight.
Excuse me, sir.
Then you measure the distance.
Sorry about my camera off because I'm setting the sensor. Tommy. Yeah. Now I'm measuring the thrust angle. There's my friend who helped me. I got 203 and 34. All right, you good. And I got, now I'm gonna measure the tandem scrap angle, 51 inches. That's good. Now I'm gonna measure the other side. My camera is gonna be off a little more. Sorry again, my camera is off. But I'm setting the lasers on this side. Make sure that that's 51 inches, that's exactly the same thing. And the other side, and on the front one. Now I'm gonna measure the thrust angle It's 204. That's a little bit off, almost 3.8. But that's good. That's perfect. Thank you for watching my video. That's how the steering, the alignment is. My toe is perfectly good, and my thrust angle is a little bit off, but that's not too much. My tandem strap angle is perfectly. That's good. Thank you.